Hi everyone, my name is Raymond. Hope you are doing well. In this video, I'd like to show you some great websites where you can get free fonts for commercial use that you can use them in your print-on-demand business, your Kindle, Amazon books, and much more. So let's get started. And now let's begin with the first website today is 1001fonts.com, free for commercial use. And here you'll find a bunch of free fonts for commercial and personal use. It's about 5,000 font in different types: text, display, regular, bold, sans serif, medium, and so on. And honestly, the best thing here in this website, here you can try your text and to see what it would look like. Okay, for example, we can try my name Raymond Sapri. Okay, and here you will find every single font in this great website, and you can choose any one for commercial use, as you see here, commercial use with this mark. Okay, and different pages. Awesome. Okay, for 500 pages. Okay, so you can use one of them and you just download it. Okay, that's it, as you see here. Okay, the second website today is Fontspace.com. Fontspace.com, and here you will find a bunch of free fonts for commercial use, for your print-on-demand business, for your KDP Amazon business, and so on. Okay, and as a previous one, here you can type your text to find out the best font for you. For example, we can Raymond. Okay, and here you will find your font, as you see here. Perfect one, 100% free for commercial use. Okay, as you see here. That's it, in many different types like cursive, fancy, script, handwritten, cute, gothic, and so on. Okay, just you can download one of them like this one. Just click, and here you will find your font will be downloaded. Okay, the third one today is thefontfree.io/commercial fonts, and here you will find different types of free fonts for commercial use, which is about 1,000 free fonts. Okay, as you see here, with its thumbnail, you can choose any of these fonts and you can download it for free for personal and commercial use. Okay, and here in different pages. For the second page to have a look at, as you see here. Okay, perfect, like this one, Super Mario. Just click over that, and here you can download this great font, personal and commercial use, for free in this format, TTF. Okay, so website number 4 is fontmeme.com, free fonts collection. Here you will find a great group of free for commercial use fonts. Okay, in different types. Okay, grunge, outline, brush, cursive, graffiti, scratched, stencil, sketched, and so on, and much more of these font categories. Okay, you will find Arabic fonts as well. Perfect website. Okay, cool sans and so on. Perfect. The next website is called Fontesque.com. Fontesque.com. These web fonts are for commercial and personal use. Okay, as you see here, free for commercial use without any copyright violation at all. So you can choose one of these great fonts to use for your work and your business. Okay, perfect, awesome. The next website is pfonts.com, free for commercial use. as the previous one, you will find every single font for commercial use, okay, royalty free. So here you can use any font. The next website is fontsquirrel.com. fontsquirrel.com. Here you will find your favorite fonts for commercial work, okay, as you see here, different types of fonts, and you have to download it in this format, TTF, okay, with different styles for every single font. As you see here, 1 style, 2 styles, 10 styles, and so on, okay. And of course you can choose one of these categories like serif, display, sans serif, display, oblique, headings, bold, casual, grunge, rough, elegant, and so on. The next one quickly is fonts.google.com. Here you will find a bunch of free fonts for commercial and personal use. Arabic fonts, Chinese fonts, perfect with its styles, as you see here, variable, 8 styles, and so on, okay, perfect for personal and commercial work. The next one is creativefabrica.com. creativefabrica.com. Here in this homepage, go to this free piece portion, okay, and you can choose free fonts for personal and commercial use. Just click over that. Free fonts for commercial use, okay. And here you will find 1,000 different results, as you see here, okay. Perfect fonts. Baby doll, 3 stories, Anastasia, luxury, wedding, sweetie, Elizabeth, and much more, okay. Super space, this perfect font, and more. The next one is Pandels.net free fonts, okay. As the previous one, here you will find free fonts for commercial use, okay, with many different types like fancy, logos, serif, brush, gothic, and so on, like Molina, Olivia Script, Laviperd, Butterfly, Falcon, Temporally, and many of these great fonts for personal and commercial use. And the next website is canva.com, and here on Canva you can make your print-on-demand designs, your book cover with using these free fonts on Canva, okay. And for sure, if you are a Canva Pro user, you will find here thousands of premium fonts, okay. A lot of these premium fonts, okay, beautiful ones. And of course you can upload any font, an external font, which you have downloaded from the previous websites I have mentioned before, okay. And the next website is Vista Create. It's like Canva, however in Vista Create, if you are a free user, here you can upload your external font for free, unlike Canva, where that feature is special for Canva Pro users, okay. And here we reach the end of the video. Thank you for watching, and if you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. See you in the next video, and goodbye.